the Venom Deadbolt and the Rustler VXL. I painted these wheels. The linear motor. Here we are. I set the gears so it doesn't do a wheelie.
Look how slow I can go.
7-cell nickel metal.
How slow can you go? I can go this slow. Hey, I can go slow. How slow can you go? Really slow.
This thing came brushed, but it made it brushes.
Oh yeah! Nitro Rustler! Woo! Woo! Watch this. Din, 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 din.
Okay, we're gonna do a towing.
Right, rolling.
Okay, go.
He's doing it. This is my RC. 4-wheel drive.
No! Okay, let's try it one more time.
Okay.
One more time.
One more time. We're about to go rock crawling. We're trying not to get any dust in this freaking thing.
Oh! We're going in one more time. Here we go.
Okay. You gotta put the wheels on the crappy thing. Yes, it's not supposed to climb like this. He climbed it. He just made it. He made it.
Victory lap! Okay, let's do some filming with mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Okay, don't do that. Look at his tire. You see how big it got? Set, go.
I'm winning!
I'm stuck.
Hey! No, do it in the sand. I want to film you in the sand.
Okay.
I want to film you in the sand.
Okay, I'm gonna do pull in, drive up right here. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
It's hard to drive in here. Okay, stop it.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm stuck. I wonder if he can pull me out. Luckily we have a tow strap. I'm gonna give mine a little gas. Oh yeah! Let's go. Go. Pull me. He's got it. Go. Keep on going. Keep on going.
Mine is out of battery. Crap.
Oh.
I need to get a battery.
Ready? Okay. No, you don't have to go too fast because I can just pull you out with the torque. I don't want you.
Mine has a lot of torque.
Okay, I'll just pull you all the way home. Hey guys, I was just driving through here. Oh my gosh, and I can't get out. And probably mud's gonna be all on my tires. Okay, so we're just bogging, you know, through here through the creek, you know. And I'm gonna try to see if I can get up that. Nope.
Okay. Stop it.
Okay, so he's gonna try to pull me out with his 4x4.
Tell him what the brand is.
It's a Venom Deadbolt. It's pretty cool. We're gonna pull me. He's gonna pull me out. Here we go.
Okay.
Go. I'm gonna go in reverse. Okay. Yes. Let's go. Okay, this is going to be the most insane pull. His thing isn't even waterproof. Okay, mine's Traxxas, so you know that's waterproof. But oh my gosh, this is gonna be the most intense. Oh!
I'm gonna pull you up the mountain. Whoa. Pull you up the mountain.
He can't pull me up there.